Welcome to my channel, where we explore the power of meditation, affirmations, and mindful living. Have you ever felt overwhelmed, anxious, or just out of balance? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to lose touch with the calm that's naturally within us. That's where meditation comes in. Meditation is a practice of stillness and mindfulness. It's about connecting with the present moment, quieting the mind, and allowing space for inner peace to emerge. It's more than just a relaxation technique. It's a way to bring balance, clarity, and joy into your everyday life. Let meditation become a sanctuary, a place where you can reset, recharge, and tap into a deeper sense of well-being. It will help you find calm in the chaos, and through this channel, I hope to share that with you. Now let's take a minute to do a quick session of meditation to guide you in how it is done, and get you started in creating some calm into your day. First, find a quiet space with no distractions and sit comfortably. Lay your hands in your lap, palms up or down is fine, and let's begin. Put a picture in your mind of somewhere peaceful and serene, a place where you can release all of your stresses and let your worries just flow away. Now take a deep breath in. Feel it in your chest as you take that breath. Hold it for 4 counts, and then slowly release it, letting go of all your tension. Recount the special place in your mind and visualize yourself there as you start to take your next breath in. Imagine yourself in this special place and slowly let go of the breath. Feel the peacefulness it brings you. Continue this process breathing in and back out slowly for as long as you want to. 5 minutes of meditation can bring a calm to your day and help you to recharge your mind to gain back the positivity you want in life. This is all for now, but please join my channel to find more guided meditation and breathing techniques, as well as daily affirmations and mental well-being tips. Join me on this journey toward mindfulness, peace, and inner transformation. Let's discover together the incredible power the mind has on healing us. Thank you for watching, and continue to do your breathing techniques daily for best results.